qué le agregamos. Sí, porque una es más pequeña, una es de 1.20 por 1.20 y la otra 1.20 por 1.60.
¿Te doy todo el nivel? Fuerte, ¿verdad? Sí. Oye, te digo que ya están los camarones. Ah, se ve chiquita esta. Ah, ¿fuera de batería o qué? ¿Necesitas cargarla? ¿Necesitas cargarla? Mira.
Glad to see everyone who's joining me on this video. A small, very small update. Sadly, this 2022 we weren't able to do much. We just had these kind of like security rails on the windows because sadly last year they broke into the construction site. There's nothing, nobody lives there. But just to be on the safe side, since we travel back and forth from California to Puerto Peñasco, hopefully, with God's help, 2023 is going to be the year that we're going to start going a little bit more to Puerto Peñasco. The Palomino brothers, they worked really hard that day to kind of like, that slope was really like a hill, so we couldn't have any cars inside our future garage. So my husband's brothers, my brother-in-laws, they worked all day by hand, shovel, and that's it. Very thankful for all their help.
¿Qué?
Tu tío.
José nos caemos para que no vaya a nadie a nadie.
Oh, le pegó una abeja.
No, una abeja que se la como pusieron en el pie que para que no salga caminando.
Oh.
Mi tío José caminando y Vito va con la puerta abierta.
Con la puerta abierta viene. Mira, y con el tray vienen también.
Oye, pero se cerró ahorita.
Pues sácala, pues. Dale para atrás y así va a salir.
Pero que si ahí va a estar pegándolo.
mero.
The downside of not going to Puerto Peñasco so much is that nobody attends to a garden like the owner, and it got flooded. And I don't know if it got flooded again. There was a storm recently over there. We weren't there, but I miss the little tiny house that we live in. I miss the plants that I worked really hard. When we got there, there was absolutely nothing. It was just dirt, a lot of trash underneath, buried underneath the ground. But I am excited, and God willing, if everything goes right, this December 2022 we'll be back for the holidays, and then back to work, and then back in spring, summer 2023 to work on the house. These are the things that we look forward to buying in the future and investing in. I know it's a lot of work. This year we installed security because of what had happened, and we just need to keep working little by little in this project. If you guys like the videos, keep following for more updates. I'm trying to work a little bit more harder on YouTube videos. Life happens, and that's why I haven't been posting a lot of videos, but I'm going to try to post as many videos as I can and try to dedicate next year to Puerto Peñasco videos only.